Hi, this is This is Cryptonomics. My channel covers cryptocurrency related market trends and news. So let's look at Ethereum price, right? Let's take a look at the 4 hours chart. The 4 hours chart. So basically, for the past few hours, Ethereum price has tanked again from this resistance level. This resistance level that we can actually draw a line to see that it's like around $1,200. This is quite a strong resistance, right? But on the other hand, we also can kind of like have a support here that's around the support here is around $1,000. We can just take it as $1,000, right? That's $1,000. So it's actually trading between $1,000 and from $1,000 to $1,200, right? So it's actually bouncing back and forth. Right? But before we actually analyze this chart, right, we have to look at the big picture. The bigger picture is that we are in a crypto bear market right now. In case if you have not realized, right, look at this chart, right. There's no way that the crypto market looks bullish, right? There's no way that it looks bullish, right? It's as bearish as it can be, right? I've never seen something that's probably more bearish than this, right? You can call this a triple top pattern or a head and shoulder pattern. So not right now when you factor in all this, right? So when you look at the technical analysis, you have to look at the big picture first, right? Is this a uptrend or a downtrend? Is this a bull market or a bear market, right? So from them can make a judgment, right? Because you don't want to make your trades that is swimming against the tide, right? And back to the 4 hours chart, right? Back to the 4 hours chart, right? So this is so we see a bear market. This is actually a continuation pattern, right? So basically, we had a price decline, consolidation. So when followed by price decline and consolidation, then it's likely that price will actually decline further, right? Of course, there's also a slight chance that if you believe that this is actually the end of the bear market right now, we're going to see a reversal. But usually, trying to predict a reversal is actually a terrible thing to do, right? You don't want to preempt the reversal, right? Because if let's say let me start with a different starting point right now. So let's assume inflation has already stopped. The Fed is actually looking to like not going to the Fed is not going to raise interest rate. In fact, they are going to like do easing, right? And then stock market rally, right? And then for the past 4 weeks, right, crypto market prices is actually hitting higher high and higher low. In that case, you want to be bullish. You want to be bullish at the start of the bull market. You do not want to be bullish at the end of the bear market, hoping that next day or next week is the beginning of a totally different chapter, because nobody can time that. Maybe the bear market can last another 6 months, another 1 year, another 2 years, you will not know. So you can get yourself killed trying to time the correction, right? And if you look at the fundamental, inflation is still high. We are having a recession. There's no hell of a chance that we're going to have any bull market anytime soon, right? So most likely after this consolidation, we are going down, right? And this is how I look at the market, right? For consolidation. But after consolidation, let's see, the market can only do tradings from here, right? Continue to consolidate, and then right after the consolidation, going up or going down, right? So it will not consolidate at this range forever. After the consolidation, it can either go up or go down. So to me, it's very clear that we are far more likely to go down after the consolidation than rather going up. So being pessimistic and being bearish, you're more likely to be right than to be wrong. It's basically, you're basically following the trend of the market right now, right? Following the technical as well as the fundamental. And this is where so many pundits are getting it wrong, right? So a lot of people are trying to time the bottom, or they see and they look at it here or see, look, we're going to have a W pattern, bottom pattern. Oh, it's going to go up from here, right? And that's totally wrong, right? So clearly, we actually we will collapse again because of the bad fundamental, right? recession is coming, and this especially true for Ether, right? Ether has its own unique problem as well, right? SEC is calling Ether a security, and we have like other big names like Michael Saylor calling Ether a security. We don't know when 2.0 can take place. There's so many things to be bearish on the market, and recently we just had a survey. 60% of the market participants thinks that cryptocurrency price can continue to fall. And even let's say if you get, even if let's say this W is correct, right? Let's say you are right on predicting the bottom W, right? Let's say we go to like 1,005, 1,006. So what? It doesn't mean that we are going back. It just means that we have a relief rally during bear market. Relief rally during bear market is pretty common, right? It's pretty common, right? If you actually see a relief rally, so we have many relief rally during the bear market. So actually we can see that from 1,000 to actually 1,002. This is actually a mini relief rally, or we can actually look at the longer time horizon, right? You can see that, okay, you can actually make an argument that here we have a W, right? You can actually find anything in the charts to justify your opinion, right? You can see that now we're having a nice very W right now, right? You see from here, actually Ether increased from $2,400 to actually $3,500, right? From March to April, right? That's 1 month, right? So if you are bullish from here, you are actually very happy. But this is what if actually you're focusing on the small picture but missing on the big picture, because always look on the big picture, right? Always look on the big picture, right? So you actually this is actually a place for you to if you know that the big picture is actually going down. But of course, in March is harder to tell, right? In March is harder to tell. It's a 50-50. Some people say we are still in the we're still in the bull market. Some people say we are in the bear market, right? It was, looking back, it was an excellent place to build your short position, right? Yeah. So we have like there are points that actually price to go up. There are all certain time segments that you can actually find that it's true that price do go up sometimes, but overall it's still bearish. Once it go up for a short while, it will come down. So my advice is actually, my opinion is that don't try to time the bottom line. Don't try to time the bottom line, because it's just not worth it. Okay, that's all for my analysis for Ethereum price, and do your own research. To stay away from excessive leverage, and wish you good luck.